Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I just thought I'd make a quick video on all my new equipment. So I've bought a iSteady Multi Gimbal, which keeps the video steady. I will unbox all this now on this video and just show you it all quickly. A Rode microphone, a selfie stick which also turns into a tripod, which I'll show you. But all that is bought because I have bought myself the Sony ZV-1. Some people say it's the best vlogging camera around. I'll show you what comes in the boxes and everything. I've also bought two new powerful, I probably need more than that, memory cards. So I'll show you what the deal is with all this. Let's unpack it and see what's what. So let's start by showing you the tripod. The Ulanzi, is it the MT16 extendable tripod? There it is out the box. Let me just go ahead and extend it. See how high it can go. You can see there it's a lot bigger, and you can move that so the selfie thing is facing at you when you've got the camera on it, as so. But one of the best things about this is, as you can see at the end of it, oops, you can turn it into a tripod. So you can stand it up just like that. There's a tripod if need be as well. Not expensive. I think this was about £15. Next we have the Rode microphone. The Sony camera does come with a microphone, and the microphone actually seems okay, the built-in one, which I'll show you. But I thought I'd buy this as well. It was only £40 off eBay. It was on sale. I think they're usually about £50–60. So there's the microphone. That's what it hooks on with onto your camera, because the Sony is the first camera I've had where you can actually attach a microphone to it and you get the dead cat with it. Apparently there's some little grips in there what clip onto this once you've put it in. So yeah, look forward to seeing this. This is the Rodeo Video Micro. Next we're on to the gimbal, the iSteady Multi Gimbal. On this you can use it for three things. You can use it for your camera, you can use it for a GoPro, or you can use it for a mobile phone. It is, like I said earlier, a Hohem one. Is it Hohem? Yep, Hohem. Hohem, that's it. H-O-H-E-M. It comes in this box, a little bag with your zipper on it. Let's take a look inside it. Quickly unzipped it. And inside you get the instructions. Just, if you look at this, was about £110, which I think is a great deal. But it's the iSteady Multi. There are 3 or 4 different makes of this. Charger. Oh yeah, you get an adaptable. Here is the actual. Obviously you need to put your camera on it, or your phone and GoPro, and switch it on and calibrate it properly. If you watch videos on it, you move that left and right. You move that, tighten or soften it depending on the weight of your camera on it. There's your turn on instructions. There is a connector, what connects to the camera, which is a lead there, which connects to this. And so you can use the camera on by this, like zoom in, zoom out, record, stop recording, just use this, you don't have to use the camera. Also, to attach to the bottom of this is this, which also you attach it to the bottom there, screws on, and that turns into a tripod as well. So you can use it as a tripod if you put it down at a table or something. But yeah, I'm not looking forward to sorting this out. What's that button for? See, I'm still learning. Yep, I need to sort all this out, because going on it will be what you see next, my brand new camera. Right, let's put this away and let's get to the camera. And last but definitely not least is the brand new camera. As you can see, it has a flip out screen that I've never had before. This is the camera out of the box. You see there, that's the microphone. So here's me talking. It's pretty good, and you also get included with it the dead cap, what just slides straight onto there. So it will also be permanently on. So I can use that, or like I say, I can actually use a microphone for the first time. The microphone will slide onto there, and then I'll just plug it into my external microphone. But this is a ZV-1. I've not even turned it on yet. I've had it about a week. As you can see, the first time I've ever had a camera that flips out. Looking good. You can turn it. I don't want to break it, I've only got one hand. Like that. You can turn it to face outwards. It looks good, doesn't it? The Sony ZV-1. This was quite expensive, £500. It's the most I've ever paid for a camera. Has a good grip. The battery, what comes with it is this, a battery and the dead cat in a lead, obviously. You can charge the battery up while it's in the camera. And yeah, that's it, that's my new vlogging equipment. Obviously I got 2 of these as well. I probably need another 4 or 5 of them for the trip we're going on. That's a brand new camera. It's meant to be an extremely good camera as well. I've seen loads of reviews. Believe you me, I spent at least 3 or 4 weeks looking at lots of different cameras. I even looked at camcorders to see what best to choose, but this came up by far the best, and I found a fantastic deal on it. So I might do reviews on all this, what I've bought, and yeah, stay tuned. We'll see if the camera's any good when we head out to London in September. Thanks everyone, stay safe. See you all soon.